Hello kids, today we are learning table 14 to 16. 14 months are 14, 14 months are 14. 14 twos are 28, 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42, 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56, 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70, 14 fives are 70. 14 6 are 84, 14 6 are 84. 14 sevens are 98, 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112, 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126, 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140, 14 tens are 140. 15 months are 15, 15 months are 15. 15 twos are 30, 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45, 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60, 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75, 15 fives are 75. 15 6 are 90, 15 6 are 90. 15 sevens are 105, 15 sevens are 105. 15 eights are 120, 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135, 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150, 15 tens are 150. 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32, 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48, 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64, 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80, 16 fives are 80. 16 6 are 96, 16 6 are 96. 16 sevens are 112, 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128, 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144, 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160, 16 tens are 160.